Hey guys, we are going to make some oats porridge. This is my oats here, guys. It's gluten-free, old-fashioned, which is the better one to get, not the quick oats, especially for those of you that are diabetic or borderline diabetic and watching your glucose level. This is the one to get. I also have my condensed milk here, guys. I will be using the condensed milk for sweetener, cinnamon, and some nutmeg. So right now my pot is on over here, and I have this cinnamon leaf washed. I'm just gonna drop it in my pot and let it release some flavors for say about a minute or so. So my oats is here, and as you can see, it's all big. It's not like the quick oats, which is, you know, the whole idea. It's not gonna get in your bloodstream as quickly as the quick oats. And you know, the other one, the quick oats, you know, it gets digested easily, and that's what raises up your blood sugar. So now what I'm gonna do to break it down a little, I'm gonna put it in my magic bullet blender and just get it a little smaller than this. So now I'm gonna just take my oats, drop it in my blender cup, and get it to be a little smaller, just like a quick pulse. So here we go, guys, just like this. So you see, you just crushed it up to be much smaller. So take a look at it now, guys. So before it was all big grains like that. So what I did is just crushed it up like this, see? And now I'm getting ready to start making my porridge. I have like a cup and a half of water boiling with my cinnamon leaf, and now now I'm gonna go ahead and put in my oats. So here we go, guys. This is my oats. So as soon as it hits the water, use your whip to whip it around, just like this. So you see, great consistency, not too runny, not too thick. That's what you want it to be. And we're gonna allow this to cook for at least 5 minutes, because oats does not take long to cook, guys. It's the easy 1, 2, 3 breakfast meal right here. So you see, no lumps. Great consistency, look at it. So now I'm gonna get ready to put in my my spices. So this is the cinnamon. I'm gonna put like half a teaspoon, because remember I already had the cinnamon leaf. Stir this around. Time for my nutmeg, about like half a teaspoon nutmeg. So this is my grate. I'm just gonna grate. So my nutmeg. And now I'm gonna sweeten with my condensed milk, guys. You can use any milk of choice, coconut milk, whole milk, dairy milk, whatever you like. But as for me, I'm using the condensed milk to sweeten, because I will not be putting any sugar there. So what you want to do, just punch your milk. And here we go, guys. The condensed milk is here. And while you're pouring your milk, you are stirring at the same time. So it's a little thick. And that's how you go about it, guys. Pour your milk and stir, and it's very creamy and nice. Also gonna put, I forgot, I'm also gonna put a teaspoon of salt to balance it out. Matter of fact, half a teaspoon of salt for this amount of porridge. It's not a lot, so half a teaspoon of salt. Just like that. So the salt is there, guys, to balance it out. Your flame should be low at this point. And now I'm going to give it a taste with my teaspoon here. I need some more milk. So guys, you flavor to your taste. Wow, this is looking good. Looking good. I'm gonna give it a taste. See if I'm okay with the flavors. A little more milk. So check this out, guys. So nice and creamy. And I'm pretty much finished making my porridge. And this is how it looks, guys. It's as easy as that. Look at it. Look at the consistency. Not too thick, not too runny. Just right. And like I said, sweeten to your taste. I actually use about half a can of the condensed milk. And this is good for me. And we are done. Guys, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sonia. Thanks for coming. Those of you already subscribed, thanks a lot. Keep coming back for more videos, guys. Grow the channel. Help to grow the channel. Turn on your notifications so you could know when I upload new videos. I upload videos every week, pretty much. So come on back and let's cook together. Now I'm getting ready to dig into this nice, delicious, hearty oatmeal. So feast your eyes, guys. Look. Look how nice that is. That's the cinnamon leaf. So there you go, guys. That's your oatmeal. Take a look. Cinnamon is right there, guys.